would be UGA 652.
UGA 652 Memphis Center, good evening. Descend via the Blues 5 arrival. I'll put up the Memphis status here in a second. November 1979 Memphis Center, good evening. Descend via the Chesney 2 arrival. Nashville's landing south. Nashville altimeter 29906.
Okay, cover that. Continue descend via the Chesney 2 arrival.
Memphis, Phenom 5123, Golf level 410.
28 miles from Meridian.
That was 2 at once. Who's near Meridian?
Delta 4116 heavy.
Delta 4116 Memphis Center. Good evening, ident, please. UGA 652, I just put up the H for Memphis. Advise Charlie, Memphis. FedEx 1425, Memphis Center, standby.
Memphis, Phenom 5123, Golf level 410.
Delta 4116, about to contact 20 miles to the west of the Meridian VOR, flight level 370. You're showing 390. That's your final. Would you like 370 as your final?
Yeah, 370 is fine. Sorry about that.
No worries. November 5123 Golf, Memphis Center. Good evening. Ident, please.
Center UGA 652 is going over to the 8 real quick.
Ooh, 652, Rad. And FedEx 1425, advise information. Charlie at Memphis, please. Roger.
Delta 4116, we're at our top of descent.
Delta 4116, descend and maintain a 11,000.
Descend and maintain 11,000 off that information. Echo for Birmingham.
Delta 4116, Roger, the Birmingham altimeter 3011.
Memphis, fly high 2, fly level 32091 miles northeast Meridian.
Fly high 2, Memphis Center, good evening, radar contact, as reported, flight level 20, or 320, welcome.
Center UGA 652 back with you.
U 652, Rad.
Also, Center, we're going to be expecting 18 left via the Reese waypoint.
UGA 652, you can expect vectors for the ILS approach, only 18 left.
Roger, UGA 652.
November 1979, advise information Alpha at Nashville.
Got information Alpha.
November 1979, Roger, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 20 right.
Up that, we'll expect vectors 20 right. Now, folks, we're going to change this 20 right here. Let's make that change.
November 1979, descend and maintain a 3000, fly present heading vectors for ILS approach, runway 20 right.
Descend 3000, current heading, expect vectors to select up.
Delta or FedEx 1425, wind 200 at 9 RNAV, Cheeto, runway 18 right, clear for takeoff. Delta 4116, contact Birmingham approach 123.8. Have a good night.
123.8, Delta 4116. Thanks, good night.
November 5123, Golf, leave my airspace here shortly. At Atlanta Center's offline. Fuji change approved. Good night.
All right, thanks. Help. 5123 Golf, so long.
See ya. November 1979, turn right heading 110.
Right, 110. That's it.
Potential aircraft information, Bravo, now current at Nashville, winds 17011, altimeter 2995. Potential aircraft information, Delta's now current at Memphis, wind 2009er, altimeter 2986. FedEx 1425, ready to contact altitude. FedEx 1425, roger. Climb maintain flight level 380. And FedEx 1425, clear direct Lizzie. And FedEx 1425, my apologies, you're clear direct Keepak.
Sitting over towards the light.
November 1979, about 6 miles from the final approach, fixed, maintain 3000, so stops on the localizer, cleared ILS approach, runway 20 right.
Clear for ILS approach.
November 359, the Golf Memphis Center, good evening, with a contact. Memphis altimeter 2986. And fly I-2, descend and maintain flight level 300.
Flight level 300, fly high 2.
November 359 Golf, Memphis altimeter 2986. November 1979 wind 170 at 11, runway 20 right, clear to land.
Clear land, 20 right.
Uga 652, confirm you're descending via the Blues 5 arrival.
Say again for Uga 652.
Uga 652, confirm you're descending via the Blues 5 arrival.
Stand by, Uga 652.
Uga 652, the reason I'm asking is because you're still about 30 miles from Copen and you're supposed to be at 10,000, so you're about 5,000 feet too low and looks like you're currently descending still.
Center, I'll go ahead and correct that to the Blues 5 star, Uga 652.
Uga 652, let's just do this at this point since you're now almost 6,000 feet too low. So set and maintain 4,000 and fly heading 270 vectors for the ILS approach runway 18 left.
4,000 and say heading again.
Uga 652, turn our right heading 27027.
FedEx 1679 heavy, flight level 280.
FedEx 1679 Memphis Center, good evening, ident.
Ident for FedEx 1679.
And Memphis Center, hello, FedEx 649, heavy flight level 360.
FedEx 649 Memphis Center, good evening, ident. FedEx 1679 Veta contact 56 miles to the north of Nashville VOR, flight level 280, welcome. FedEx 649 Veta contact 77 miles to the northeast of Nashville VOR, flight level 360, welcome.
Position checks, hello.
Emirates 201 Super Memphis Center, good evening, expect PDC. Uga 652, clear direct to Reese for the ILS approach runway 18 left.
What do you say, Mike?
Direct
So it
to
looks like
Reese for
flying
the
to
ILS
Denver
18 left, Uga
anytime
652.
during the winter, right? Yeah, Ed, man, yeah. We're relying on instruments, man, to get us in here, man. Weather's a little crazy, so this is what we asked for. We got it.
Approaching minimums. Minimums. 100. 50. 30.
November 359
Yeah.
Golf, confirm your VFR. November 359 Golf, Memphis Center. Helicopter 228 Mike Tango, Memphis Center, hello. Fly high 2, leave my airspace to the south. Houston's offline, frequency change approved. Have a good night.
See you later, Flight 2.
Oh, the weather's crazy. Well, Center is November 1979. Cleared runway 220 right to the left via Bravo
November 1979, welcome to Music City. Taxi to the terminal via Bravo, Lima, Tango 4, cross runway 31 at Bravo.